I'm Brad Horan, and I'm a business growth consultant. Now, I got into this line of work because my dad was a tradie, and he was great. He was a great tradie. They had the best quality work in the business, and he had tons of work coming in. But he didn't really know how to manage a business. He was always worried about money and staff and paying bills and wages, and he never knew where he was at. He used to tell me all the time, I'm no good with numbers. He was great with numbers. He could walk into a room and tell you how tall a wall was, how wide it was, how much sheeting he needed. But he couldn't do it with finance. So it wasn't that he wasn't good at numbers, he just had a mental block when it came to the finances, and he didn't want to do it. But that really pushed me into my career in finance, and I started off in tax and realized that learning tax has nothing to do with business. So as an accountant, I shifted from tax to operations, and I really found a great way to help people and help businesses. Now, let's be realistic. I can't help everyone. This is not for every business, but it is for those businesses where, you're an owner and you feel like you're working your butt off and you should be getting more money. Or perhaps you've got the bills under control, but you just have no time. And so if you're feeling like that, then maybe I can help.
So where to from here? You've got two options. The first one is to book a call with me and see what the next steps are that you need to take to get you past this next hurdle. Number two is you can download our 4-page Profit Growth Framework guide. It's a brief explanation that tells you exactly how it works. I'll leave it with you.